Let's cook adobong manok sa gata. Here are the ingredients. 3/4 kilo chicken chop, pure coconut milk in water, 1 garlic, 1 onion, 1 ginger, 2 lemongrass, 4 chili fingers, 1/2 cup vinegar, olive oil, and salt to taste. Please subscribe to our channel. Keep watching. Heat the pan in oil and add all the spices. Add 4 spoonfuls of white vinegar. Add the chicken and boil until the vinegar is gone. Add the coconut milk with water. And then salt to taste. Boil until the coconut milk water thickens. Add the pure coconut milk or kakang gata. Boil until pure coconut milk thickens. And here is our adobong manok sa gata. Put some rice in the pan and make adobo rice. And here is our adobong manok sa gata, or in Bicol, adobadong manok. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos.